Hey everybody, I'm at Walmart and I'm going to do some shopping for my emergency pantry today. So I will show you some of those items that I buy regularly at Walmart. I think they have really good prices and I'm shopping here more since the prices have gone up so dang much. I didn't always like this store, but I'm liking it more now. All right, let's get to it. Okay, Walmart, here we go. This place has been crowded this morning and I need to come at a different time of day, I think. The first thing I see here is this pasta sauce for $1.68 per jar. I'm going to get one of each of these so that I can try them. These would be a great addition to my pantry. And the second thing I see here that is a great price is this green beans for 76 cents. I'm going to get one can of these and put it in my cart. I also see over here the corn is 76 cents a can. So these prices at the bottom of the aisle, kind of in the lower shelves, are really good. This is really where you're going to find your best deals on canned vegetables. All right, on to a different section. I think I'm going to be coming up here to the canned meats next, and those are definitely on my list for today. So let's check it out. They have a lot of different items here at Walmart. I mean, just all kinds of things, everything you can imagine they have here at Walmart in the canned meat section. And today I'm going to get this sardines for $1.24 per container. And I'm also going to try these kipper snacks for $2.18 per container. So those are great on protein. And if you haven't tried one of these Keystone meats, they're kind of expensive, but they are really good. Okay, potato flakes. These are $4.74 for this larger box. I'm going to get some of those. I'm also going to get 2 cans of these tunas here for $1.98. These are in water, so I like that. Okay, here's a 5-pound bag of long grain white rice for $3.37. This is great for your prepper pantry. You should have rice in every prepper pantry, in my opinion. And here are the dried pinto beans. You should also have a bag of that in your prepper pantry for sure. Walmart is a buzzin' at 11 a.m. I also think you should have this in your prepper pantry for $1.77. This is a great price for iodized salt. They have vinegar here for $3.82. I think it's cheaper at Costco, so I might get it there. And olive oil is always expensive, $10.94 for this extra virgin olive oil from California. So you can get your ghee here for $8.98 for a jar, and your coconut oil, which has a long shelf life, for $13.63. And oatmeal for $4.38. I am going to buy this oatmeal. I'm going to get the larger container here because I don't have that many oats in my backups so far. So I'm going to start working on that. So I'm going to head to the comfort food area. And you know what that means? That means we're going to look at things like coffee and creamer. Here we go. $10.12 I put. Oh yeah, for Starbucks instant coffee, which is a great option, and $3.93 for this creamer that I really like, and it is shelf stable. You can also use Carnation shelf stable creamer for $7.33. This is non-dairy. I bought some at Costco, so I'm not going to get it here. Thanks for shopping with me today, guys. We're going to head over to the peanut butter section where I found a good deal on peanut butter for $4.12. You can get this really large jar of peanut butter. That's like half the price of some of the name brands that I've seen. So this is a great addition to your prepper pantry. Wow, I'm in an aisle and it's empty. Amazing. When you're filming prices in Walmart, I don't like to film when people are watching. Anyway, onward. Okay, Ovaltine for $7.48. I think this is just a great comfort food. You don't need it, but it's nice to have. Tang is a classic prepper item for $3.84. This has vitamin C. It's also got some sugar. It's also a feel-good food in a way. I'm in the alcohol aisle now, wine and beer, and I'm not going to get this stuff today, but these are a great prep. Even if you don't drink it, you can trade these things. These plates for $2.12 could come in handy. And toilet paper is just crazy price, but we all need it, or you need to figure out an alternative. So it's $37.57 for the name brand, and I believe it's $27.57 for the generic brand. Both are pretty darn expensive. Okay, $26.46 is what it says here. Pretty darn expensive for what it is, right? Oh well. The next item here is these trash bags, which are $14.72. You can buy the Hefty, which is $15.72, but great to have, great prepper item. Bleach is very handy at $5.88 for the non-name brand, and I believe it's $7.76 for the name brand. Now I'm looking for bar soap, because bar soap can replace a lot of other soaps. If there's supply shortages, it can just do it all, right? I'm looking. All right, this is what I was looking for at $1.87. This is the Fels Naphtha. It's a laundry soap bar. You can just sort of rub it on your stains, or you can shave it off and use it in your laundry. This Zote or Zote, I'm not sure how you say it, it's $1.98. This is another common one that I've seen people use for all different sorts of things. This is $4.48. $4.48. This laundry detergent. See how many loads? I don't know, but it's a big old bag. I think this is a great option for less expensive laundry doing. Well, I'm leaving Walmart now, and I can tell you, I'm turning into a Walmart lover. Okay, that's everything I bought today, and it was a good, successful day. I saw a lot of great price items, and I hope this is helpful for you so you can see what types of things you can buy for your pantry. And almost everybody's got a Walmart somewhere near where they live, so this is just a great way to show you things that you can buy for a reasonable price at your local Walmart. All right, I'll see you guys later. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, I thought you might like to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.